the American Airlines Center in Dallas,
Here we go.
Texas. I'm Jim Houston.
Colorado Avalanche, big rival. Get the Stars. Let's go.
Between the Dallas Stars and the Colorado Avalanche. Another great Western Conference rivalry. These teams have had their fair share of playoff history.
Jim, it was the Stars that knocked the Avs out of the playoffs in '99 on their way to winning the Stanley Cup. They hosted the Avs again in 2000, only to lose to the Devils in the final.
Damn it. Been there. Seen it. Let's go! All right, the Stars are in black.
Now let's get down to center ice for the opening faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Stars. Here comes Mike Modano. Takes the shot. That's blocked and didn't get through. Shoots the puck.
Oh!
Delayed call. Along the board. Quick shot in the slot. He gets called for cross-checking.
Uh-oh. Power play!
He'll be spending the next 2 minutes in the penalty box.
Yeah! Tip it!
Dallas is about to go on the power play for the first time in this game.
Jim, they've got some good finishers in their lineup, but they'd like to keep it simple.
Yeah! That's the color! Woo!